birds hiding from the sun. Hi peeps, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day, another day in beautiful Mexico, and we are staying on the property today, enjoying the adventures on the property, enjoying everything on the property today. So I'm going to show you guys my outfit of the day, and hopefully I'll enjoy a little bit of archery and see if I can get some archery lessons in, shall we? Archery finish at 12:30, so we have an hour, so let's see how that will go. Who we have here? Say good morning. Tyler. Ty. Say good morning. Sarah. Come, Sarah. Say good morning. Good job. You're going to kids club? Honey, go with her. Go with her. So this is the game. You guys know that I love this game. Babe got me one for Christmas and I love playing it. I haven't even tried it out as yet since I tested, but this is it, and I realize it's here, so I'm gonna try. There. So while I wait for my archery turn, Babe and the kids are at kids club, which is just beside the archery. So there they are swinging. Ah? They can't play football? Where? Oh. Okay. Outfit of the day. Show them my outfit of the day.
Alright? Right-handed or left-handed? Right-handed. Left one, please.
Okay, so explain to me.
Have you ever played before?
No.
No, you never played before. Have you ever played before? Okay, perfect.
What's the purpose of
Okay,
this?
I'll let you know in a little bit. Alright. Chicos, ahorita de hecho vamos a seguir jugando, ¿vale? Si nada más pasamos igual 3 rondas y seguimos jugando, ¿vale? Igual tú, ¿vale? Okay.
Make sure you see me time.
Alright, we're gonna play 3 rounds of 3 arrows each round. Okay. I'll explain you in a little bit. Okay.
No, Ty, don't ever turn it this way.
Alright.
Always this way.
So here we go. This is what we're gonna do.
Don't get up, okay? Sit.
Okay. This is what we're gonna do. Alright? First we're gonna do. Alright, so your ball all the time, left side facing down, all the time. Alright? Yes. Alright, we're gonna hold it with the black spot right here. It has to be the left side. Alright, we're gonna put it down right here with the black spot. Once you're ready, once it's on this one is on the white spot. Right here. Okay, we're gonna clip it down. Then right here, down. Once you're ready, you're gonna pull back with 3 fingers. You can use one up to down, or you can use 3 down. It's easier if you put 3 down this way, alright? When you pull back, we're gonna pull back in one movement. Elbow up. If you put your elbow down, then your elbow is gonna go. And that's too high, right? We don't have a ladder to get all those. Alright, so we're gonna lose arrows. So we'll get your elbow up, alright? Once you're ready, we're gonna look at the tip of the arrow and the yellow spot. Alright? Yes, right here. Yes. We're gonna move it from there. Okay, when you pull back, alright? Facing at the gym.
Okay.
Alright, when you pull back, alright? All the way back, all the way.
Just let it go and it will go.
Straight on. Wow. This one is right here.
Oh, you should do straight.
Sí, en República Dominicana.
All the way back.
Bueno, ayer había una persona acá, había venido a venir a jugar,
Don't
y me
close your
contaba
eyes.
eso,
Don't close any of those eyes. Keep them open.
At the end, I say who win.
es algo que característico de
Go.
Boop, boop, boop. See? I hit one. Oh, it's only 3 arrows you get, you know. Only 3.
3 sets of 3.
Yeah, but I only do. Oh, I did 2 already. Ty, make sure you see me, Ty.
Yes. 7-7 for now.
Salió a caminar y dijo, me metí el agua un rato para refrescarme, me dice, impresionante no te llegaba, ¿no?
Not bad, I'm getting there.
Do I again?
Oh, what's the purpose of this one?
Sí.
It's to make the arm straight? No.
Yo ya voy a Uruguay directo.
Whenever he gets there, Rose has plenty.
Hey.
Mama, for now, Papa's winning.
How is it Papa's winning?
15 points, 13
How
points.
so?
Because I calculate the points. The middle is 10, after is 9, after is 8.
Oh, there's a rule with the points, or it's just your points in your head?
Normally the yellow is 10.
What is that thing for? Alright? So, Will, straight your arm. Okay, straight your arm. Okay. There are some people that they have hyperextension. Alright? And sometimes when you have the hyperextension, your arm goes out a little bit. So, once you get your ball right here, it has to be like right on front of your toes.
Okay.
If you straight your arm like this with your body, what is going to happen? You can get hit by the cable. This protects you to don't get hit on the cable because it hurts really bad. So it keeps your arm like safe from the cable. That's when you have any hyperextension or when you line up your arm like this.
Okay.
So all the time try to keep the ball right in front of your toes.
Okay.
So you will be good.
Okay, got it. All right, you guys.
Papa,
Round 2, I'm ready.
Papa, t'es en train de gagner là.
I think I have a new sport that I like. I've discovered this for a while though. I like it, but I need to learn the rules. Well, I just learned the rules, but the technique is what I need to practice. Oh, that was so much fun.
You have one at home.
Come, we're gonna find an activity for Sarah to do. Come on.
One at home in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, one at home. Anyway, archery's finished, and we're on to the next. Let's see what we're gonna find to do now. Come on, princess. Look at her. Hey, photo spot.
Wherever you want to go.
Come, Sarah.
It's kind of dark that way, but it's okay for the both of us.
Oh, there are chickens. Ha! Oh no, it's duck. I need a coconut to drink. So we haven't come this side of the property. So we're coming through. There's a lot of thatch roof going through the walkway. Yes, son. place where I think you get the best nachos and cheese. It's okay, but okay, I don't know. Let's try it. Look, he's just finished eating hot dog. Baby eating a piece of pizza. You from Mexico, come eat pizza, babe?
Yeah. Hamburger.
What is this?
I don't know.
It's a burnt plantain.
Probably was in the nachos.
Alright, moment for the beach. You carrying your glasses? Leave your glasses with mama? Or you carrying it? You keep your glasses?
No, don't mama.
Give me your glasses.
Ready, go.
Go, have fun. Right in front of me. We're at the beach. They're going in with Papa this time. I take in my vitamin B because I need it. And that's real, like seriously, I'm serious. I went to the dentist before I came here and I'm lacking vitamin D. So I'll take in all the sun that I can get while I'm on this trip. So I have to be taking, I'll have to take vitamin D tablets when I go back home. But yeah, I'm in the sun, shawty. Papa come back with this one and gone with the other one. You had fun with Papa? Yes. Yes. You love the water, huh? You saw the wave? She said she see the wave and she jumped. They're selling. Remind me so much of Jamaica, the exact same. I guess maybe all beaches throughout the Caribbean is like that. They're selling everything, or probably everywhere too is like that. Sunkisses survive. Yes. No, you gonna turn it over. Turn it over right here. Here. This shuttles are not going so well at all.
I want to do decorations.
So she making porridge. She tell Tyler come to the table, it's time to eat. Tyler, eat the porridge. Take it and be happy about it. Ty, take your porridge. Good job, Sarah. Sarah, make oatmeal porridge for Tyler.
I'm putting it in the bed.
You guys, you see how much I come on vacation prepared? I carry all these fandangles from home in their suitcases because I know they're coming to the beach, and if I don't bring it, I'll have to come here and buy it, and then I'll still have to take them home with me. So every beach accessories came. Sarah floaty came. I just lose the ear out of it. So advice to you mamas who are traveling to a hot beachy destination: pack everything that you need. Your kids will be happy and you'll thank me. They'll be less miserable, they'll be less whiny, and you'll save money. As long as you have the space in the suitcase, pack it.
Having fun? Sarah, what you doing? Oh, you building castle. Alright.
Time after a nice beach day and a nice little rest, nice little nap. Dinner time. Alright, let's go see what they have for dinner. A variety of things. Let's start off with the desserts today. Look at that. Looking delicious. This cake, I don't know what cake this is, but it tastes so good. I have a piece of it every day. And then you have more over here that looks so good. So I'm gonna get dinner for Sarah and I. So you have cold salads over here, more cold salads over here, and then you have all the sauces and cheeses over here. And then over here you have rice, you have beef, you have carrot puree, you have potato, you have rice, you have beef. Let me taste this beef. I haven't taken any beef in a while. Sarah, look at mama. You guys, look where I made myself. Look where I found myself. Starbucks. Yes. I had to find it. I had to find it. Hi, babe. Hey. You living your best Starbucks life, Ty. Him and Sarah drinking this pink milkshake. Look at them. Well, babe and I having coffee. Another day in Mexico.
Mexico. Say it.
Mexico.
Mexico.
Oh Lord, I can't with you right now. I don't have the strength.
Mexico.
Anyway, you guys. Today was beach.
Spanish.
Beach drinking. I don't have time for
A la playa. Beber a la playa. A pina colada. Beber a pina colada a la playa.
You guys can see that I'm tired, right? I have no
She's
energy
not
for
tired.
his madness.
A baila.
The only way I'm not tired is if I hear the music again.
Right.
Then I'll wake up. Sarah and I danced the night away and that felt so good. Sarah wasn't ready to
Forget
come
about her
inside.
tiredness. She just went and moved a little bit.
Music make you feel no pain and feel nothing. Sarah wasn't ready to come inside, but that segment has ended and they were moving on to another section. So we came in. Sarah was like, Mama, more, continue more. I said, you're ready to go to the room? She said, no. I asked her again about 3 times, you ready to go to the room? No. That's how she shouted in the music. And when she don't want me to talk to her, she put her hand over her ears like this. And she danced like nobody's watching. She is my child.
She's my daughter. That's what she wants.
In that sense, she's my child, not yours. But today was good nonetheless. The kids enjoyed the beach. I got my dose of vitamin D in and it felt good. How was your day?
That was good. I was resting, relaxing. I love the archery.
Archery was fun.
And I enjoy every moment. I was resting. The water moment was good. I like the beach moment with Sarah and Tyler and the water, the with everything was
What
perfect.
did I taste today for the first time? Tequila.
Tequila.
I am not a fan. Maybe every
got a
tequila tastes
margarita,
different, but
we
but
stick
the
for the
pina
pina
colada.
colada for now.
The pina colada was lit.
Problem of
Always
pina
been
colada
lit.
is you drink like milk.
The fact that I love coconut, I'll always pina
Coconut,
colada will always win for
pineapple.
me. And I'm yet to drink a whole coconut. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to do that because we're going on the road tomorrow.
Going town, we're going
Don't tell them where we're
shopping.
going, cha. Block it out. You didn't hear that, but I'll leave it in. I won't edit it out. So you have to come back tomorrow to see the exploring of town. I'm looking forward to that. I've been wanting to experience Mexican street food since I know that I was coming here. So hopefully I'll get to experience a little bit of that tomorrow, to see what the street food is, and
Churros.
hopefully no, I'm not coming here to eat churros. France have the best churros and I'll leave it at that. I want to hopefully find the hot pepper sauce to buy and carry back home and carry back for
habanero.
It tastes so good. I snap a picture of it from in the restaurant because honey child it tastes so good.
They say it's the hottest pepper in Mexico.
Pepper one
Or
yeah,
hottest
0.
pepper.
Tell them what happened
in
to me
Mexico.
yesterday. Yesterday when I
Pepper
ate
1,
it.
Melissa 0. That's all that happened. Pepper 1, Melissa 0.
Jesus. It was so hot, but it was so good. I'll do it over and over again. I ate it today. Every time I eat a hot dog, I pour a bunch of it on it just to get that pepper kick inside my mouth. And nose and my eyes just run. Anyway, enough of the rambling for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in town tomorrow, shawty. Tyler, say bye. Sorry, it's already
Adios.
sleeping. Adios is in
Adios,
Spanish
amigo.
mode.
I just
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.